subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The lumbar support is left out from the Iskur X, although a lumbar support pillow is available as a separate accessory. Much of the excellent materials deployed in the production of the Iskur gaming chair were also extended to the Iskur X. The durable, high-density foam inside the chair provides sufficient cushion for users and long-lasting comfort. The foam is produced from pretty durable materials, and a person can be on the chair for long periods without feeling any discomfort. At a retail price of $399, the Razer Iskur X gaming chair comes cheaper. This could appeal to a segment of the gaming populace, although the reduced price implies a reduction in some aspects of the maximum comfort desired from a high-quality gaming chair. As we mentioned earlier, the built-in lumbar support, a critical ergonomic component, is left out in the Iskur X. There are also differences in the armrests between the two gaming chairs. While we have 2D armrests with the Iskur, its successor, the Iskur X, has 4D armrests. For gaming fans, a gaming chair is an important accessory for a compelling gaming experience. These customized chairs provide several features that combine to give their user an exciting experience. Razer expects its new gaming chair to receive a warm acceptance on the market. This could be the case with the lower price that the Iskur X will retail. The Razer Iskur X comes with a decent price tag of $399 and is available via Razer's website. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.